Alright, we're out here servicing a Rinnai tankless unit. First step is to Matthew.
Well, we gotta flush it, get it clean, descale it, because there's some nasty buildup inside the heat exchanger over a period of time. Especially on propane. This is a dirty unit. We're about to disassemble this whole bad boy and bring it back to life.
Sounds good. Stay tuned. What are we taking apart now?
Right now we're taking off the plate so we can take a look at how dirty this bad boy is inside here. And you can see here, this is called cheating life when you're working with metal. So you don't lose all these screws. Look at all these screws.
Perfect.
They gotta go back in the same spot. You can't guess. You better know what you're doing.
Ready?
So we got the screws off, so now we're about to pop this plate. See what we're working with. A lot of times it wants to be stuck. Do not bend this. You just take your time, show it love. You don't want to bend it. There's a cork seal on it. You just take your time. That's all you can really do. Yep, see? Broke it loose there. Just a little, baby. Broke it loose. Little baby. Little baby, break loose. Boom. You don't want to mess that up. Okay. That's it, screw. Bastard. We got this bad boy cleaned out. You can see all of our pieces that we're about to clean. We're gonna finish cleaning the inside of this bad boy, and it's still being descaled. It's a process. So I'm at the process of rebuilding it. While I'm at the process of rebuilding it, I go ahead and dump out the recommended solution and I refill it with regular water so it can just start to cycle with clean water before I turn it on.